I'm feeling called to do a little message with the tarot right now. So if you have come across this video, it's very well possible that there might be a message from your higher self, from your team in spirit, whoever it is that you work with, that originates in your soul's truth only, who loves you and protects you. So there might be a message here for you. You know, take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Don't ever let a psychic tell you what to do with your life, please, for the love of God. You know, listen to your own intuition. This should only be confirmation for you for what's going on in your life. If you would like to, you know, dive into your own readings and things like, and understanding when spirit talks to you, I have the Be Your Own Psychic Masterclass. Go check out the Be Your Own Psychic Masterclass. It has the foundational tools for you to really understand their spiritual awakening and connection to your spirit guides and the messages that are coming through from your own soul, from your spirit team, your intuition. And I have some nervous system regulation tools, grounding, energy hygiene, and protection tools inside of that masterclass as well. Or you can check out my Remember course, which has everything, including my Reiki training, as well as all of my other workshops. So go check that out. But anyway, immediately what I'm hearing coming through is there's a new beginning. I'm staring down at the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Ace of Pentacles is something's crystallizing into your reality, physical manifestation. And Ace of Swords is clarity and new beginnings surrounding having clarity around what's coming in and this new beginning that's taking place. There's a theme going through the collective right now. There's action moving forward. There's clear communication coming in for some of you. There is action, passionate action moving forward, quick blessings coming in, things that you've been praying for coming in. Okay, clarity, what's next after the Eight of Wands for the highest and best in this collective, for those who have come across this video. If you have made it here, holy shit. Is this really what's coming through right now, guys? Is this really what's coming through right now? I don't like being one of those basic people that's like, oh, you have, you know, love and money coming in, but you can't fucking make this up right now. Holy shit. Holy shit. Excuse my French. Holy shoot. Shiitake mushrooms. No, I'm not. I like to curse, so I don't go fuck. Okay, anyway. You have King of Pentacles coming out. What's coming in for you? What's coming in? What's moving towards you? King of Pentacles, a very stable, prosperous, abundant reality. Hierophant coming out. You have been doing a lot of inner work, a lot of studying, a lot of learning. You could be somebody who's very deeply into occult studies, spiritual studies, shamanism, Taoism, Buddhism, Ayurveda, you know, energy work in general, Reiki, healing. You could be somebody who's very in tune. You do your own psychic divination, or you're just somebody who's really interested in it and you're really fascinated by it, or you feel the call towards it and you want to step into it. So either way, you're somebody who is very gifted and very in tune. And whether you know it or not, you're somebody who's very gifted and very in tune. I do feel like, though, this is for somebody who has been really laying down the foundation, is what I'm hearing, for a brand new beginning, for a cup of overflow. Get ready for overflow. I'm getting ready. That was off key. But you have the Ace of Cups, which is literally about a, you know, emotionally fulfilling new beginning offer coming in. A new offer, a new beginning that's going to be emotionally fulfilling, cup overflowing with love and gratitude. Followed by the, like, this is why I'm like, Spirit, are you serious right now? Followed by the Lovers and the Two of Cups. So I don't, like, I'm not going to put anything in the caption about this being a love reading because I don't want to be that, like, I don't want to feed anybody's delusion and ego if they're attached to like a twin flame or like a story where it's like, this person is my person. Because there's a lot of people that are just feeding into other people's stories of, you know, of holding on to a karmic cycle, but that doesn't feel like that's what it is. So I'm going to trust that the universe is only going to bring this to people who are meant to hear this right now, who are genuinely attracting in a soul aligned, committed relationship, union, Somebody that they're going to build a life with is what I'm hearing. After a lot of pain that you went through, you have the Ten of Swords coming out. You have a very, holy crap. Hold on. Hold on. After a lot of, it has kind of felt like this a lot. You've had to really cultivate your connection. Hold on, come on. So there we go. Ten of Swords, feeling defeated. You had to really cultivate your connection with spirit. That's what makes me feel like the High Priestess and the Hierophant coming out. Like you have a very deep connection with spirit. You're somebody who's very in tune, whether you do energy work yourself or you're, like I said, you're into these occult studies or these different ancient philosophies. And you're attracting in your divine partner. That's just it. You're attracting in your divine partner. This is a brand new beginning, a passionate beginning, loving beginning, stable beginning, prosperous beginning, with the Empress coming out and the Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles has to do with delight in the garden, you know, everything that she's planted, she has it all surrounding her. The abundant harvest is there. With the Empress is the most abundant card in the deck. She gets whatever she wants. The Empress is the one who made it. After all the queens is the Empress. She's the Empress. And that's regardless of whatever gender you are, that's the energy that you're embodying. And that's why you're attracting in. The path is opened up, Page of Wands. That's why you're attracting in, you know, this very stable, it's coming in quick. This very stable, like, yeah, I'm stable, committed love. Ten of Cups coming in, where it's like happily ever after, cup being fulfilled, the family, everything. The rainbow, the happiness. Stable with love and stable with finances. So I was not expecting this to come out at all right now. I was literally just pulling some cards, and I really set the intention, universe, angels, spirit guides, that this only goes to those it is meant to, for their highest and best, who are really truly on this path. Not just clickbait. This is not just clickbait. Okay? We have Queen of Pentacles coming out with the Chariot. Need I say more? The action moving forward, you know. Chariot also has to do with devil energy, Capricorn energy. You know, you've had to really do inner work and shadow work. So this is for people who have really had to do shadow work. And then we have Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles coming out. So we have a match, again, with the Lovers and the Two of Cups. Now we have the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. There's a match. So these are two people that could be very much, you know, set in their own business. They each have their own businesses. They're each just really well in the material realm. They're very taken care of in the material realm because they're very grounded. These people are very grounded. They're very connected to Mother Earth. They're very connected to Source, the divinity within them, and the divinity that which created everything. These people are very well off in the material world because they're very in tune in the spiritual and grounded and embodied in the physical. So there's beautiful action moving forward and a beautiful union that I'm seeing coming in. I feel like you've been on quite the journey when it comes to love and finances, whoever this is for, whether it's been both love and finances. You can't make this up. I'm pulling an oracle card to close out the reading because I'm running out of time. And you literally can't make this up. So I feel like you might have to get out of your comfort zone for some things. And when I say that, for this love or this financial opportunity or whatever it is that's coming in for you, that's materializing quick, new beginning, you might have to get out of your comfort zone. That's what the Garden and the Gate is. It's that there's this abundance around her, but she has to take action to get out of the comfort zone. So there's still things that you have to do, but it's not like you don't have to do too much, is what I'm hearing. It's a delicate dance with the divine of taking action and receiving. You literally have the Angel of Love. That was the first one that came out, is the Angel of Love oracle card, saying there's a beautiful, loving new beginning. I just feel like that's just confirming that love's coming in for some of you. Like there's committed love coming in and you're not looking for it now. I feel like you're balanced with yourself and you're open to it, but you're not looking for it. But you'll feel it and you're gonna know it when it comes in. So if that resonates with you, drop a rainbow in the comments. I feel like a rainbow emoji would be fitting for this. And yeah, I hope this served you, and come join us in the Dove Tribe on the 11th for the full moon circle. Okay, I love you. Goodbye.